you decided to go get a used vehicle off of Craigslist or wherever, auto auction, and you finally get it back to your house. You want to know, is it, what all is wrong with it? Well, first of all, you shouldn't have it all the way back to your house before you know what's going on with it. You need to check these things before you even leave with the vehicle from where you're purchasing it from. So, this is one of my new additions. This is a 2004 Chevy Impala. It's the base model. It is not the SS. It has a 3.4 liter V6 in it. And I picked up this vehicle only to fix it and flip it. I don't want to keep it. I'm not attracted to it. I mean, Impalas are nice. You got that nice 6-body trunk. You can fit a lot of nice subwoofers in there, nice sound system, or you can just have it as a nice grocery getter. Okay, there's different things you can do with it, but this, I just picked it up to fix it and get rid of it. All right. So, things you want to look for right off the bat. We got it running. We're looking for anything that's actually standing out. If you're looking in here, what I noticed right off the bat was all the white across the engine, which means you had a coolant leak in there before, and with it being across the entire engine, it was really spraying. Okay, so when I checked into it, we got a new radiator in here, and that's what it was. The old radiator busted a crack in it, cracked, sprayed all over the place, and now we have to clean it all up. Easy way to get rid of this: take it to the car wash, not after you've been driving it all day, but take it to the car wash, throw some degreaser on it at the car wash, and then spray it off, okay? After it sits on there and eats all that junk away, all right? Another thing I noticed, headlights. Not uncommon in a 2004 or anything that's older than 5 years old, okay? That we will be making a video about on how to actually fix that cheaply and not where you have to go pay someone $90 to replace it. We've already replaced the spark plug wires and the spark plugs, 3 on the front, 3 on the back. We attached the firing order and that process to the video, so definitely check into that, see how easy it is, what you should be watching out for. Remember, check your gap. I did not throw that in the video, but I do have it in the video description, okay? Another thing I look for, tires, okay? Yeah, there's tires on it, and we're all happy about that. But if you look at this one, look at that. Are those racing slicks? Because they are really smooth, okay? So those will need replaced, okay? The front 2 is what I saw needed replaced. The back 2, on the other hand, have a little bit of tread, not a lot, but they do have enough that it's a used tire. Don't see many cracks in there with dry rot. I am gonna go ahead and wash it up really nice and see what that comes out to. The discs, the brake discs are not grooved. They are smooth, which means somebody at least, took care of those and watched when their brake pads were getting low. So that's good. If you want to know what that ticking is, also, it is your nice relief valve right here. It is popping every time. It is your EGR valve release valve, okay? If you heard it when I first started it up, it wasn't doing that. It's after it's actually built up some emissions, it's going to start doing that. So okay. Now if you're hearing that and you haven't had it started for a while and it sounds a little bit louder than that, that's not good. Okay? That's something you need to look into. All right. Again, right here with the tires, we got smooth. Okay? If anybody says that's enough tread, obviously you you never seen tires with tread. All right, the back one, this one we do have some tread on. Okay, we have a nice little lip there. It's not a lot. Okay, but this one's being replaced anyways because we got a leak in it. I'm gonna get this one patched. I would like to actually save this, but it also is dry rotting a little bit, so we might have to replace it. All right, depends. Let's see what the tire shop says. I am not a tire professional. All right, looking in the back, you see trash, you see it never got vacuumed, and then you see that coolant bottle over there, right? I don't care about the trash. I don't care how dirty it is because I'm going to clean it and scrub it and have it looking really nice for whoever I sell it to. But the coolant bottle, I do want to know something about. So when we are in here, we're sitting in the car and look at that, 126,000 miles. Car shouldn't be going through a lot, but we do have the check engine light on. I did run the codes already. Ooh, did you see that? The whole dash just reset itself. See, that's something we need to look into. Okay, also your fuel level gauge. Someone overfilled the tank. No, it's not that. It's the fuel level sensor. We already have it on our list to get replaced. See what's going on there. We are going to look further into why the dash just reset itself. Okay. Looking through the rest of it, oh, I like this. This is nice, okay? I picked this car up for $200, guys. $200, not bad, great project, and it doesn't take very long to get it where it's roadworthy. It's going to pass inspection, and whoever gets it will have a nice, clean running vehicle. You see right here, this is a master cutoff. Someone didn't put the remote wire into the head unit. Oh yeah. Con Air. You remember this one? Everything. Oh yeah. All right, cut that off. All right. We saw that the air works as well. Right, and pumping out. Ooh, real nice. Nice heat today. So that's good. Go ahead and check it. See if we got AC too. Woo! Yeah, that's cranking. Yeah. All right, cool. So whoever gets this won't have to worry about summer coming because that heat and AC is both working great. Tip top. The little flashing right there, that's not really happening. See if I come closer, it's not doing that whole jittery thing like it is right there. All right, so that's inside. I did check the sound system. It's working, you know, besides that little, you know, terrible fix right there, but it is working. All right, so we come around to the back. We see what's going on here. Oh, we got 2 tires in here, which is all right because look at that. That one's got tread. That one's got tread. But we'll see what the tire shop says, see if those can actually be used. If they can, then those 2 go on the front. And then this back one will actually get patched and be able to use that. Another thing we noticed, the nice collection of coolant bottles, which that goes with, you know, that whole coolant leak they had under the engine. Not under the engine, under the hood. All right. Ding right here. I did notice another door ding. There's bumpers, you know, a bumper sticker on it, which we will be getting rid of that. I did notice this ding right here on the door. Okay. If you're not a body shop professional, I wouldn't try to correct that, guys. It is a door ding. Door dings happen. But if you want to get it replaced, you know, there's a couple different ways you can actually look at it. But I would talk to a body shop professional and see what they think. That way you don't mess up the body, okay? So, guys, that's what I actually look into when I'm picking up a new vehicle is you're looking at preventive maintenance. Okay. Anything that's sounding like it's on the way out, it's ticking, it's rubbing, it's clanking, anything that stands out, you want to look into it because you don't want to be picking up a vehicle that you're not going to be able to, 1, drive, or 2, fix, then drive, or fix and sell it. Okay. So look into those things when you look at getting a new vehicle off of Craigslist or the auction or anything. Okay, you want to know what you're getting into before you actually jump in it. So guys, hopefully you liked the video. It gave you an idea of what to look for when picking up a new vehicle. Please like and subscribe to this channel. We have a lot more videos coming. Not just the 2004 Chevy Impala, but a lot of other vehicles as well. We will check into those, and make sure you subscribe, share the video, like the video, and we will talk to you next time, guys. Stay tuned.